Hey devs, want to know the most wanted programming skills in the industry? Here are the top ones. Cloud computing. AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud are dominating the market. Master one of these and you're golden. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a job creator. Get familiar with TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Keras. Cybersecurity. As tech advances, security threats increase. Be the hero who saves the day with skills in penetration testing, ethical hacking, and security architecture. Full stack development. Know the entire tech stack, from front-end to back-end, and be the master of web development. Data science. With data being the new oil, companies need experts who can extract insights and make data-driven decisions. Python, R, and SQL are your friends. DevOps. Bridge the gap between development and operations with skills in Docker, Kubernetes, and CI/CD pipelines. These are the hottest programming skills in demand right now. What's your favorite? Let us know in the comments.